Okay, so we will do leg based workout, some on mat and some on standing. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with kickback. 1, 2, try to touch the heel to the hip. 4, leg open wide. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Good job. Now take one arm distance, wide long. This feet, right feet touching to left feet, body keeping straight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Marching. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Leg wide open and touch. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll use wall. Watch it. Chair is not stable. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good job. Marching. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Next exercise. Step forward to lunge. 1, together, down, going backward, another leg, lunge, down, going backward like this. Okay, alternatively lunging and down. Let's start. 1, another leg, counted as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 more, 'good job. Oh, sorry. Left down, back, 7, another leg, lunge, completed 7, 8, last 2, 9, last 1, and 10. Marching. Let's march for whole 30 seconds. It will be helpful. 15 seconds left. Keep it up. Keep marching. Good job. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Leg wide open. Right to left of going. 1, 2. Do slowly. 3. Good job. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job marching. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next is deep squats. Let's do first 10 deep squats. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job marching. 10 seconds of marching again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 rounds of kickback. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job marching. 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. End of legs workout.